Do you ever wonder how designers create functional and beautiful interfaces in apps and webs? Why your designer chose blue instead of red for your app menu? Maybe you have a side project or business you'd like to add some professional polish to, but you worry that designers have some magical instinct that you don't. Introducing Figma, a collaborative interface design tool that's taking the design world by storm. But before that, what exactly is Figma? How to use it? Why is Figma so popular? Is learning Figma worth it? It's the right time to answer all these unknowing questions. Hold on guys, if you're into UX, UI design or app design, this Figma tutorial course is ideal for you.